Have you ever felt like something just isn't quite right in your body? Like you're doing everything the same, but your mood, energy, or weight just won't cooperate? You might be surprised to learn that your hormones could be the hidden culprit. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers, influencing everything from sleep and metabolism to mood and reproductive health. And when they fall out of balance even slightly, they can throw your entire system into chaos. Today, we're diving into 4 subtle but powerful signs of hormonal imbalance in women that you should never ignore. Whether you're in your 20s or moving through menopause, understanding these signals could be the key to reclaiming control over your body and your life. Let's start with one of the most common and frustrating signs: unexpected weight changes. If you're eating the same, staying active, but suddenly gaining or losing weight without a clear reason, hormones might be to blame. In particular, imbalances in estrogen, cortisol, insulin, and thyroid hormones can all affect how your body stores fat or burns energy. For example, high cortisol, your body's main stress hormone, can lead to weight gain around the belly, while low thyroid function can slow your metabolism and make it nearly impossible to lose weight, no matter what you do. It's not just about diet or exercise. It's about what's happening behind the scenes in your endocrine system. Another red flag is irregular menstrual cycles. Your period is like a monthly report card for your hormonal health. If it's suddenly coming late, not showing up at all, or bringing along intense cramping or mood swings, something may be out of sync. Estrogen and progesterone need to work together in a delicate dance each month. And when that rhythm is off, your cycle reflects it. Conditions like PCOS or thyroid disorders often show up first as irregular periods, and even stress or rapid lifestyle changes can knock things off balance. Tracking your cycle consistently can help you spot patterns and bring valuable insight to your healthcare provider. Next is the emotional roller coaster that many women experience, but often brush off as just stress or normal mood swings. In reality, mood changes like sudden anxiety, depression, irritability, or even brain fog can be deeply connected to hormone fluctuations. Estrogen, for example, isn't just a reproductive hormone. It also plays a major role in brain chemistry. When estrogen dips too low or spikes too high, it can impact serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitters that help regulate your mood and focus. If you're feeling unusually overwhelmed, sad, or out of touch with yourself, it might not just be in your head. It could be your hormones sending an SOS. Finally, let's talk about fatigue, that bone-deep exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. Hormonal fatigue is different from being tired after a long day. It's the kind that makes it hard to get out of bed, stay alert, or even concentrate. Low thyroid hormones, adrenal imbalances, and insulin resistance can all sap your energy and leave you feeling constantly drained. Pair that with disrupted sleep, another common side effect of hormone imbalances, and you've got a recipe for burnout. If you're struggling to feel energized no matter how much you sleep or how well you eat, it's time to look deeper. Hormonal imbalances are more common than you think, and the good news is they're manageable. With the right lifestyle changes, stress management, and support from a healthcare provider, you can bring your body back into balance. Listening to your body, tracking your symptoms, and honoring those subtle signs can make all the difference. You deserve to feel like yourself again, clear, confident, and in control. If this video helped shine some light on what you might be experiencing, please subscribe to the channel for more health insights, and don't forget to like and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Your health is your power. Thanks for watching and take care.